All right, let's go ahead and do part 2. And we'll do 11 and 20. So this is going to be 11. It says coordinates, so I'm going to draw my coordinate plane here and here. Let's see if that gives me enough room. 3, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 2 would be here. And these are vertices of a rectangle. 3, -3 is going to be here. -1, -3 is going to be here. So I have this line, I have this line, and I am thinking this is going to be my 4th vertex, okay? So that's the answer to A. Is, let's see, -1, +2. -1, +2. And then it says, what is the area? So let me get another color here. So B area, and I would write all of this in my spiral, is length times width. So I know that my length is equal to, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And my width is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So length times width is going to be 4 times 5, which is 20. Kind of running out of space there at the bottom, sorry. So there's that. If you need to see it, you can pause it. I'm going to go ahead and do 20. So 20. So we have 2 and 1/4. Is that... Hold on. I need to see if it's divided. Oh, it's plus. Okay, so plus 1 and 1/3. This is divided by 2 minus 1 and 1/6. Okay, so we're going to have to do what's in the parentheses first. 2 and 1/4 plus 1 and 1/3. So I have 2. I'm going to use 12, so that's times 3. And then here we keep our whole number. I'm going to use 12. That's times 4. And I would write every bit of this down if I were you. So 3 plus 4 is 7 over 12. So that's what is in my first part here. Over here I have 2 minus 1 and 1/6. I'm going to have to borrow 1. 6 minus 1 is 5/6. So that's what I have here. So my ending is 3 and 7/12 divided by 5/6. So I'm going to have to popcorn this. 12 times 3 is 36, plus 7 is 43. 36 plus 7, yeah. Let's just keep the divide for now, 5, 6, and then we'll keep change flip. I don't think I have any more down to go, sorry, so I'm going to have to put this over here. So 43 over 12 remains, times 6 over 5. I mean, I can get rid of that. And then I end up with 43 over 10. So 10 goes into 43 4 times. 4 3/10 is my answer to 20. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I would write this entire thing down.